Hi friends, welcome back to Tech Online channel. So last tutorial we discussed first 50 important chemistry questions which is asked in all government examination or in competitive examinations. Here in this tutorial we are going to discuss remaining 50 important chemistry questions now. Okay friends, we'll start the tutorial. So first question, silicon is a polymer of what? So silicon is nothing but what? Silicon is the hydrates of silicon. So it is the wrong answer. And before that we studied in chemistry, silicon is manufacturing of silicon. In order to manufacture of silicons, alkyl substituted chlorosilicons are used. Alkyl substituted chlorosilicons are used as a starting material. In that sense, if you see that four option, the correct option is dialkyl dichlorosilicon is the correct one, whereas silicon tetrachloride is also wrong answer. And tetraalkyl silicon is used in manufacture of cross-linked polymers. So the correct answer is dialkyl dichlorosilicon. Moving to the next question, the percentage of lead present in the lead pencil is what? See, 77 percentage is given, 100 percentage, 98 percentage, 0 percentage. Actually, in manufacturing of pencil, lead is not used. Lead is not used because lead pencil is made up of graphite, not of lead. So it contains 0 percentage. It contains 0 percentage. So correct answer. Whether 77% is wrong one, 100 percentage is wrong one, and 98 percentage is also wrong one. So moving to the next question, the purest form of carbon is what? So purest form of carbon is charcoal. See, correct? It's a wrong one. Charcoal is not a purest form of carbon. Charcoal and graphite, fullerene, all these three are consists of some chemical composition. Whereas diamond is only a pure form of carbon. So diamond is the correct answer. Moving to the next question, which one of the following is responsible for expansion of water in the ocean? In the ocean, normally the water get expanded due to which gas? This whether due to carbon monoxide or nitrogen dioxide or oxygen or carbon dioxide. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Correct answer is carbon dioxide is because carbon dioxide is non-poisonous and also it is a greenhouse gas. Due to its high concentration only, the expansion of water takes place. Whereas this carbon monoxide is wrong one, and nitrogen dioxide is also wrong one, and oxygen is also wrong one. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Next question, which one of the following is used as anesthetic agent? NH3 is nothing but what? Ammonia. Ammonia definitely not used in anesthetic purpose. So it is the wrong answer. And nitrogen dioxide is also not used in the anesthetic purpose. Whereas N2O, dinitrogen oxide is used as the anesthetic purpose because it neutralizes the oxide. It is also known as what? Locking gas. And whereas NO is also wrong one. So correct answer is dinitrogen oxide. Moving to the next question, diamonds are glittering and attractive because light incident on them undergoes what? Lowest reflection is wrong answer. It is not undergoes lowest reflection. Transmission, if it is undergoes transmission, there is no reflections, there is no glittering. Okay, so it is also wrong answer. Surface reflection, it is also wrong one. So correct answer is multiple internal reflection. Multiple internal reflection. So moving to the next question. Rockets use liquid oxygen as their oxidizer. Correct answer is true. It is a true. The option is given here. So correct answer is true. Liquid oxygen is nothing but what? What is the chemical formula for liquid oxygen? It's simply a O2 only. O2. Okay. So next question. In deep sea diving, divers use mixture of gases consists of oxygen and dash. Divers normally use some mixture of gases. In one is oxygen, another gas is what? Argon is wrong one. Argon is wrong answer, and the nitrogen is also wrong one. Whereas helium is the correct answer. A mixture of helium and oxygen is used by deep sea divers for respiration as respiration. Here helium is less soluble in blood even at very high pressure. That is why it is used. And also this mixture is used in artificial breathing in case of asthma patients. So that is the main reason. Whereas this hydrogen is the wrong answer. So correct answer is helium. Next question, which among the following is not a necessary condition for combustion? So fuel is important condition for combustion, and air and ignition temperature. These three are important. Fuel, air, ignition temperature are important for combustion, whereas sand is not a important condition for combustion. So the correct answer is sand. Okay, because the sand will stop the fire catches. Okay, that is why it is not a necessary condition for combustion. Moving to the next question, water is used as a fire extinguisher. Why? It is already discussed in previous tutorial. Water is a good fire extinguisher because it prevents the supply of oxygen. It prevents the supply of oxygen. That is the correct answer. It cools the combustible substance in order to bring the temperature below. That is, everything is wrong. Okay, and only the correct answer is it prevents the supply of air. Okay, fire, normally we know that fire can be controlled by removing either air or fuel. Here water, what can do? Water can do remove the or prevent the supply of oxygen. So the correct answer is B. Moving to the next question, usually fuels on burning causes pollution, that basic thing. Which one of the following fuel causes minimum environmental pollution? Which one causes minimum environmental pollution? Coal, it is not possible. Coal produce high carbon, and diesels also produce high pollution. Kerosene also produce high pollution because coal and diesel, kerosene consists of high percentage of carbon. On burning, it forms oxides of carbon, whereas hydrogen produce only water on combustion. Okay, so it is also known as what? Hydrogen is also known as pollution-free fuel. So the correct answer is hydrogen. Moving to the next question. To prevent from knocking, the substance employed in the car engine is what? Normally in car engine, knocking effect will be produced. Why it is produced? It is due to pre-ignition of fuel in the cylinders. How to prevent this? In order to prevent this knocking effect, lead tetraethyl, this component which is mixed with petrol used in the car engine. This will reduce the prevent the knocking effect, whereas white petrol is the wrong answer, butane is the wrong answer, and also ethyl alcohol is the wrong answer. Okay, so next question, combustion of a candle is what? Which reaction? Combustion of candle means it evolves heat. I mean, heat is released. Heat is released, this means what? Exothermic reaction. It is not a physical change. First of all, it is the wrong answer. Okay, and endothermic reaction means what? Heat is absorbed, so it is not a correct answer. Photochemical reaction means what? Purely depend on sunlight, so it is wrong answer. The correct answer is exothermic reaction. So moving to the next question, the compounds having same molecular formula but differ in their structure are called what? Four option is given. Isotopes. We studied isotope is nothing but what? It is the same atomic number, different mass number. So in that sense, it is wrong answer here. Polymers. Polymers also wrong answer because it contains repeated strain structure. Allotropes is nothing but what? Allotropes is nothing but same element or same compound in two or more form that possess similar chemical properties and differ in physical properties. So in that sense, it is also a wrong answer. Isomer is only the correct option because it has same molecular formula but differ in their structure. Moving to the next question, the gas used for artificial ripening of green fruit. Which gas is used here? Carbon dioxide or ethane or ethylene or acetylene? Acetylene is used in what? Welding process, and oxyacetylene. He heard about oxyacetylene used in welding process. It is also used in synthesis of benzene. Whereas ethane is also wrong answer. Carbon dioxide is also not used in artificial ripening of fruit. Only the ethylene is the correct answer. Ethylene used in the artificial ripening of green fruit. Next question. Kerosene is a mixture of what? Kerosene is a mixture of which hydrocarbons? Aliphatic hydrocarbons or alicyclic hydrocarbons? Aliphatic is wrong answer and alicyclic is also wrong answer. The correct answer is aromatic hydrocarbons, and saturated hydrocarbons is also wrong answer. So next question, after cutting an apple or banana, the color of cut surface becomes brown. So true or false? The statement is true only. Whenever you cut this apple, the surface becomes brown color. Why means? Because it is due to presence of enzymes. Which enzymes present in that? PPO, I mean polyphenol oxides. It's nothing but simply we call that PPO. Due to that enzyme only, the brown color will be changes. Okay, so correct statement, it is the true statement only. So next question, chlorofluorocarbons are widely used in what? Chlorofluorocarbons is nothing but CFS. Okay, CFS we call that. These are the freon gas. Freon gas is used in what? Refrigeration and air conditioning system. That everyone knows that. Here microwaves, it's wrong answer. Okay, refrigerator is the correct answer because freon gas is used in refrigeration and air conditioning system. Solar heater is also wrong answer. Washing machine is also wrong answer. So correct answer is refrigerators. And also CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, play an important role in ozone layer depletion. Okay, that is also very well known thing. Okay, so moving to the next question. Petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbons. It is found in where? So see, the correct option is deep under the surface of the earth. It is not on the surface. Okay, it is not on the, it is not the on the surface of the earth. Also in the atmosphere and also in the crust. Only it present in the deep under the surface of the earth. So C is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Petroleum is a renewable source of energy. Statement correct or not? This is a correct statement. So it is not a correct statement because we cannot renewable petroleum. Okay, so it is a false statement. So false is the correct answer. Okay. So moving to the next question, enzymes are what? Enzymes are, we studied about enzymes. Enzymes are nitrogenous organic compounds which are produced by living plants and animals. They are actually protein molecules of high molecular mass. So what happens here? Enzymes are protein molecules. So whereas steroids, carbohydrates is the wrong answer. Okay, and lipids also wrong answer. The correct answer is proteins. So next question, which of the following compounds does not contain Carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic acid group means what? COOH. COOH. So this group is called that carboxylic group. This as vinegar, acid, nitric acid, benzoic acid, all these three contains COO group. Whereas picric acid does not contain COO group. It contains N2O and OH group. Okay, that is why picric acid is the correct answer. These three are wrong answer. Okay. So next question, carbon black is obtained when methane is heated in absence of air. Correct or false? It is a true statement. The correct answer is A. Moving to the next question, ethanol containing 5% of water is known as what? Power alcohol. Power alcohol what? Power alcohol is a mixture of spirit, benzene, petrol. Benzene is coming, petrol is coming. So it is not the correct answer. Okay. Dilute alcohol is also wrong answer. What is absolute alcohol? It's a purely ethyl alcohol. It contains purely ethyl alcohol. So it is also wrong one. So correct answer is rectified spirit. So a rectified spirit contains 95% of ethanol, 5% of water. So that is the correct answer. Next question, which vitamin helps for synthesis of eye pigment? So we will discuss one by one here. Thereby we will conclude the correct answer. Vitamin B1 is what? Vitamin B1 is used in growth of tissue. So it is not used in eye pigment. So it is wrong answer. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is what? It is essential role for vision growth. So it is also wrong. Vitamin B12 is it is used in synthesis of DNA. So it is wrong answer. This vitamin B12 is also used in RBC production. Okay. So you see the correct answer is vitamin D. Vitamin D is used in synthesis of eye pigment. So moving to the next question, which of the following vegetable oils does not contain essential fatty acid? It is the uh, which does not contain essential fatty acid. Ground oil is contain fatty acid, okay, and coconut also contain fat. Olive oil also contain some fatty acid. Whereas sunflower oil is contain does not contain fatty acid, okay. So it is the correct answer because sunflower oil is high in vitamin E and also has no essential saturated fat. So correct answer is sunflower oil. So moving to the next question, antiseptics can be applied to the skin. Is it correct or true or false? It's a true statement. Okay, it is the true statement because antiseptics are used to protect against any harmful microorganism. Okay. Moving to the next question, soaps do not form lather with water containing salts of calcium and magnesium. Correct statement or incorrect statement? Is the correct statement because when soap is added to hot water, the calcium ions and magnesium ions present in hot water react with soap. So what happens? Therefore, the hot water do not form later with soap. That is the main reason. Okay, it's the correct statement only. It is the correct statement. Moving to the next question, farmers are requested to mix lime with the soil while farming their fields. This is because what? I'll explain this. Different crops deplete different nutrients from the soil, isn't it? Because so decaying plant matter raises the acidic levels. So what happens? Acidic level raises, growth will be reduces. In that sense, in that case, lime plays an important role here. Lime which helps to reduce the acid content and also it will change the pH level for optimum plant grow it. So that is why the correct option here is it decreases the lime decreases the acidity of the oil, whereas decrease the basicity of the oil is wrong one. Okay, high concentration of lime is wrong one, and to maintain water content is also wrong answer. So correct answer is lime decreases the acidity of soil. Moving to the next question, KMnO4 can be used as a, what is KMnO4? The potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate is used as a, it is not used as a fertilizer. Okay, first of all it is wrong answer, and also it is not used as a insecticide. It is also wrong answer. It is not also used as a pesticide. It is used as disinfectant. Why it is? Because it is used to treat drinking water, iron, manganese and sulfur odors, okay, by keeping the drinking water free from harmful bacteria. So that is why KMnO4 is used as a disinfectant agent. Moving to the next question, a thick paste of cement, sand and water is called what? It is, first of all, it is not a concrete. Okay, concrete is different. Okay, and RCC, it is also wrong answer. RCC is nothing but concrete and mixture of concrete and iron rods. Okay, and mortar is the correct answer. Concrete is similar to mortar, but it is also has gravel and other coarse aggregates. Mortar has high water to cement ratio than concrete. So that is why mortar is the correct answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. Setting of cement is an exothermic process. Exactly, it is true or false? Exactly, it is true. Okay. Because water is the exothermic. Heat is generated from the reaction. So it is the true statement only. Moving to the next question. Analgin, phenacetin, paracetamol are the common examples of antipyretics. Correct statement or incorrect statement? This correct statement. These all are used as antipyretics agents. Okay. Next question. Detergents have stronger cleansing action than soap. Correct statement or incorrect statement? Because it is a correct statement only, because it is a correct statement only. Why means they can be used even with hot water. Also detergents are more soluble in water than soaps. Due to that only it has stronger cleansing action than soaps. Okay. Next question, cosmetic powders are prepared from what? Face powder is nothing but what? Your cosmetic powder. It is made from only a talc. Okay, made from only a talc. Talc is the correct answer. Gypsum is a wrong answer. Asbestos is also wrong answer. Serpentine is also wrong answer. Moving to the next question, the principle of cleaning by soap. Which principle is used by soap? Surface tension or viscosity or flotation or elasticity? Surface tension is the correct answer. So surface tension is the correct answer. Okay, and whereas viscosity, it is the wrong one. Why it is wrong one, and why surface tension is the correct answer means soap forms surface films. Okay, this reduce the surface tension of the solution. Also it helps in removing dirt. That is why the surface tension is the correct answer. Okay, moving to the next question, the percentage of nitrogen present in the ammonium sulfate is what? It's a simple question. It is simply a 21 percentage, and the other three are wrong answer. So percentage of nitrogen present in ammonium sulfate is 21 percentage. Moving to the next question, antacids are found in drugs that give relief to what? What is antacid plays an important role where in stomach there is a acid, H2SO4 acid is there. It will hydrochloric acid is there. It will neutralize the acid in the stomach. Thereby stomach ache will be get reduced. So antacids are found in drugs that give relief to stomach ache only. Okay, it is not an headache, eyesight. Okay, so D is the correct answer. So moving to the next question, the polymeric fibers used as a substitute for wool in making synthetic blankets, sweaters, etc. Synthetic blanket sweaters. So here the nylon is the wrong answer. Bakelite is also a wrong answer. Okay. Nylon is the wrong answer. Okay, and bakelite, Teflon are used as the manufacturing of plastic, whereas Orlon is the correct answer. Why means Orlons are the vinyl cyanide component which is used for substitute for wool in making synthetic blankets and sweaters. Okay, moving to the next question. The tracking of people by trained dogs is based on the recognition of what? Which acid is present? The dog will smell the acid. Due to that acid only, it will track the people. So, which acid is present here? The correct answer is carboxylic acid. Okay, correct answer is carboxylic acid, whereas acetic acid is wrong answer. Okay, because carboxylic acid is present in the sweat, in the feet. Okay, that is why it will smell the this acid and it identify the people. So formic acid is also wrong answer. So moving to the next question, the building blocks of the body is the what? Protein is the wrong answer, and vitamins is the wrong answer, and enzymes also wrong answer. The correct answer is carbohydrates. Gunpowder is a mixture of what? Gunpowder is a mixture of sulfur, nitrate, charcoal. So in that sense, this option A, phosphate, nitrate, ammonium is the wrong answer. Similarly, B also wrong one. So correct answer is sulfur, nitrate, charcoal. So moving to the next question, a pressure cooker works on the principle. Which principle it is used? Elevation of boiling point of water by the application of pressure, or keeping the food grains inside the steam for longer time. That is wrong answer. Making the food grains softer by the application of pressure and temperature. It is also wrong one. Okay, it is not the correct answer. And making the food grains softer by application of pressure. So it is also wrong answer. So elevation of boiling point of water by the application of pressure is the correct answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is black gold? Which one is the black gold? We call that. Simple question is this petroleum. Petroleum is the, we call that black gold, whereas coal is not a correct answer. Coal tar is not a correct answer. Kerosene is the wrong answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. The purest form of diesel is what? Here green diesel is nothing but what? It is green diesel is we discussed in last tutorial. It is not a purest form. Okay, and biodiesel, it is also not a purest form. It contains some composition of hydrocarbons, and crude oil is a wrong answer. So correct answer is ultra low sulfur diesel, because ultra low sulfur diesel produce very low pollutants because of presence of low sulfur. So it is another name is there for ultra low sulfur diesel. What it is? Diesel, city diesel. Call that city diesel is nothing but ultra low sulfur diesel. Okay. So moving to the next question, which one of the following is plays any significant role in ozone layer depletion? This already discussed in this tutorial itself. CFCs. CFCs nothing but what? Chlorofluorocarbons. This is plays a significant role in the ozone layer depletion. Whereas chloroform is the wrong answer, iodoform is also wrong answer, aniline is also wrong answer. So ozone layer depletion means you just remind that CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. It's also used as a Freon gas. Freon gas was used as a refrigeration purpose. Okay. Moving to the next question. The functional group of esters. Here the four groups are given. Which is the functional group of esters we have to identify. COOH is nothing but what? It is carboxylic acid function group. CHO is the aldehyde. Okay. And OH group is the alcohol group. Okay. Only the COOR is the functional group of ester. The correct answer is C. Moving to the next question. The lead of lead pencil is made up of lead. So wrong answer. Okay, already we discussed lead contains 0% of lead. Okay, it is made up of graphite. It is not made up of carbon or charcoal. Okay, so correct answer is graphite. Okay, graphite is the correct answer. Graphite is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Bad smell in the nearby areas of toilets, horse parking venue is because of what? Which acid is present? Due to that acid only bad smell will be occurs. This due to what? Ammonia only. Ammonia is the correct answer. Nitrogen and sulfur are the wrong answer. Okay. So ammonia, due to ammonia present in that uh, presence of ammonia only causes bad smell. Okay. Okay, viewers. Okay, friends. So last question. The most abundant element present in the human body is what? So nitrogen or oxygen or water? Hydrogen. Post your answer. Okay. Comment your answer. Which one is the correct one? Okay. Okay, friends. As of now, we discussed top 100 important chemistry questions which are collected from various competitive exam question papers. Now, next tutorial I am going to present a quiz program on chemistry. Okay, okay, friends. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next tutorial. Until goodbye from Tech Online channel.